Hey guys, this is the Thermal Master P1. It's a device that will convert your smartphone into a thermal imaging camera. It comes in this really nice case and extension wire. If you don't want to directly connect it to your phone, you can use this extension cord right here. All I needed to do was download the Thermal Master app. And then connect the Thermal Master P1. And it's that simple. You're ready to use it right away. So here you can check all the areas that are insulated or not, and you can look for any leaks in the walls or things like that. Well, whatever the thermal camera is used for, this does the job and shows the temperature at every point right there. So if in the center, it'll show the temperature of the material there. This is in Celsius, and you can switch it back and forth between Fahrenheit and the settings right here. You can zoom in on the screen and check out a more detailed view of the temperatures of the area. Super easy, convenient, and look, it's just this piece right here in a free app, and then you're ready to go. Let's shoot a picture right there, and what's convenient is it's all stored in your phone. You can email or send images to wherever you need to, and it's all right there in your device and very easy access. Settings right there and all the different features and things like that right at your fingertips. This is super convenient, very nice unit, and you don't need to get a different device. You just need this and you're ready to go, and you have an infrared camera right on your phone. Super cool and convenient. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.